Hello guys, time for midday market recap. Today was very disappointing day. As you can see, I had a loss of total 3200 rupees. With addition of commissions, it will be more than 3500 rupees, which for me is really big setback. But as you know, in day trading, especially when you are a margin trader, this kind of losses are part and parcel of your trading life. Last week, if you remember, I was red on only two trades and I was green on every day, and there was one holiday on 15th of August, so I was green on 4 days. And last week I had total profit of more than 3000 rupees. And today I took I took four trades. If you see here, let me take them out. As you can see, total I took four trades and I was red on every single one of them. Yes. So let's see what went wrong. Okay, the first stock that popped up on my scanner was Make. As you can see here, it broke the previous high of the day, and yes, there was really good volume. I waited for a nice pullback, and if you see here, it had a very nice flag formation, and it broke the high of the day, and I jumped in with the 500 shares. It popped up quite well, and one time I was up around 500 rupees, but I wanted to hold the stock because it had shown quite a bit of strength. As you can see, nice clean setup, and also nice daily chart before last trading session. So I didn't sold with the profit. I holded it, and as you can see, it came down on the 9 EMA. It consolidated, which look really nice for me at that time. But as soon as it broke the consolidation and started the move downward, you can see it really moved down, and I was like frozen at that time, and I couldn't press the button. But eventually you have to cut your losses, so I cut my losses with the break of 74 rupees, that is right here. Here I sold them all with a loss of, as you can see here, 2100 rupees, which is very frustrating. And seriously, all the other trades I took from then was in frustration. My second trade was on Sarden. Okay, so one thing is, after this update, the software has become very laggy. I had also had a loss of 230 rupees. Again, it gone up but couldn't hold it and came back again. I didn't jump on it, as you can see here, but I waited for a clean pullback, and after only it broke the high of the day, I got jumped in. And as you can see, again it didn't hold that level and came back again, so had to sell my shares at loss again. My third trade was on here, Thirumal Gem. Again, the same story repeated here. Got up, I waited for a pullback, jumped in after a pullback day after the break of high of the day, and again just came back down. One thing I did good on this was I sold after the break of 9 EMA line, or else the story would have been same, again a 1000 or 1500 rupees loss. Today's day is like this only, and the last trade was Balaji Electrics. Same story here again. Had a little rally, then I jumped in after a pullback. I was up around 100 rupees and again gone back down. Same story. Today market was little on the weaker side as well, especially for small caps. Uh, so finishing the day with a loss of 3200 rupees. So last week I was green on all days, all 4 days, and today Monday I had virtually given all my profits from last week. But you know, you in day trading, in trading as all, you can have losses, you can have profit, you can do mistakes, but one thing you can't afford or you should never do is to quit after such setbacks. uh, so one reason that I am sharing this with you guys today is because I don't want to show you all my profits only, but also the other side of trading, that is the days when you have such huge losses, and that is it's around my 20% of my whole account gone today, just in one day, which is really huge. So I want to aware you of this side of the trading too. So the plan for rest of the week is just to come out of this hole that I dig today, and I will be little cautious from tomorrow. Hopefully you guys will take some lessons from today's session. If you find this video helpful, then please share, like and subscribe, and hopefully we will meet tomorrow. Till then, have a good day.